Thank you for your purchase. I am glad you went with our services. We won't let you down, and we'll get you #1 placement or top 3 placements for your keywords, ranging from 5 to 50 keywords depending on what package you purchased. So thank you again for your purchase through our web design services and SEO packages. Okay, let's talk about these packages for a little bit, okay? So if you purchase the Bear package, it costs $220 a month, and you get 5 to 15 targeted keywords on a monthly basis for the existence of your website, and we promise we'll get you 3 to 25 million backlinks on a regular basis with that package for your 15 targeted keywords, okay? And 250 high domain authority backlinks and 40,000 plus blog backlinks, okay? And we'll get you some Google Places reviews ranging from 2 to 5 a month. And you should see an increase in your search engine rankings with the purchase of the Bear package. Within 3 weeks to 6 months, you'll see a result from that with just about any one of our packages. Now, if you purchase package 2, it's $300 a month, and you get 15 to 30 targeted keywords and 7 to 25 million backlinks month to month after your purchase. After that, and 15 million upfront for 15 to 30 targeted keywords. And you can check out your SEO score of your website at freeSEOscorecard.com. And then we also get 250 blog backlinks a month, or 250,000 blog backlinks a month to that too, and 550 high domain authority backlinks as well too. Now remember this too, people. One high domain authority backlink is like having 35,000 small backlinks in one backlink, or possibly up to 250,000 backlinks point value, if you will, if you had to give a scale of a point value per each backlink with those packages, those high domain authority backlinks. And that is with the SEO package 2 Tiger backlinks, 15 to 30 keywords. Now if you purchase the Lion, the King purchase backlink package, it costs $400 a month, and you get 25 to 50 targeted keywords for that $400 price, and 14 to 25 million backlinks on a monthly basis going on after that, and your high domain authority backlinks about almost 1,150, plus 500,000 blog comment backlinks, and Google Places reviews 2 to 5 a month with the final package that you can purchase, which is the Lion SEO package, okay? Thank you for your purchase on your package, and I hope to hear from you soon. My email is Robbie, that's ROBBY, at websitedesign777.com, or get a hold of me on the phone, which is 1-509-910-7727, and just send me a text. Even if it's 12 o'clock at night where you're at, send me a text message and say you just purchased a package from me, and I will try to respond to you within 12 to 36 hours and start doing SEO for your website. Now, all these websites do include on-page SEO with the purchase of your package on your home page and some of your sub-pages as well too, that will optimize for SEO results and get you #1 ranked in Google in 3 weeks to 6 months for any one of these packages. And these packages are a subscription and they're ongoing, okay, for each one of these packages. Again, there's the Bear package, which is $220 a month, and then there's the Tiger package, which is $300 a month, and then there's the Lion King package, which is $400 a month. I hope we can help you with your SEO rankings and get you high ranked in Yahoo, Bing, and Google, and get customers coming in your place of business, get the phone ringing off the hook. And again, thank you for purchasing my services. My name is Robert Hutchinson. My phone number is 1-509-910-7727. Just send me a text or send me an email. Again, that's Robbie, ROBBY, at websitedesign777.com is my email. Again, thank you for your purchase of your backlinks. Thank you.